Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. The Australian dollar bears on Friday drove the pair sharply lower against the greenback, which resulted in a fresh low at 70.20. This was my objective, and from the rebound has posted a potential hammer. Now from this pattern, further confirmation of course is needed, and if so, could see a further progression to the upside and see the challenge towards 71.15 to the resistant cap at 71.55.65. Also note we're still in a down channel. If you look at the weeklies, very strong down channel indeed, and therefore with the 60-day moving average just above there at, you can see here when I just get the value, is at 72.02, hugging the down channel. Of course, as you can see here, there was a lot of hurdles towards the upside for the Aussie to get bullish. Therefore, I keep my view, the fact that the market will eventually progress lower and re-challenge to the lows that we saw on Friday. But of course, with the level of 70.20 being defended, no doubt is slightly to a bullish foundation there. The euro slips, euro rallied when the US dollar slipped on Friday. Now from the rebound, just in front of the key level of 112.95 to 05, is the fact is that the brakes were put on as the dollar index rallied. Now the break of 95, 65, 75 last week did give us a view to the August highs of 96.85. But the dollar on Friday got to 96.60 before turning around and plummeted to a low of 96.03 and settled at 96.14. This in the interim has shifted the bullish sentiment and put a slight pause on the target to the upside of 96.85. Therefore, could see a little bit of a retracement in the euro up to 114.35, and then nothing until 115.95.90. So see what happens with this technical pattern onto the upside. I don't feel the market will rally further than 114.35. So I do expect to see the market turn back to the downside to 112.95.05. Well, the dollar yen stabbed at the level of 111.45 on Friday. That was my buying area, and from the rebound has not quite put the technical implications to the bullish case, but I'm keeping a very close watch. If we are long, do keep stops close around the 111.15 region. Now, if the rebound does hold, then we could see a move up towards 112.40 to 112.85. Well, this week it's called the Super Thursday because we've got the Bank of England and also we've got inflation expectations under the microscope. And also no Brexit deal also looms. So therefore we could see further risk to the downside for the pound with 126 figure exposed since the break of 129.30. Resistance comes in now at 128.65 to 129.40. Well, the gold also stabbed. So there was a very volatile Friday, as you can see. It got to a high on Friday at 1,243. Now, my objective was at 46 to 50, but from the retreat, it does look back towards the support region of 1,222. Slightly indication here that the gold is breaking down, so I'm not overly bullish at these present levels. Finishing off with oil, well, the market is trying to recapture its bullish momentum as it now progresses slightly higher to around 67.90 resistance. It could go a little bit higher to 68.60, but I'm a seller there, and I feel the market would turn around and look back towards the region of 65.90 to 64.60. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day and a great start to the new week.